But we are looking for a range of innovative, progressive companies in that softwood that would like to take on the opportunity to trial a TCT cutter block system. It comes in 250 or 160, just like every other head you do, depending on your machine. It can come with a 2+2, 3+3, 4+4 system, so no trouble. Whatever you're running now, we can do that. But mate, I really do see that we can significantly increase the runtime that TCT will have, even in radiata. Now, if you're replacing a full set of tooling sort of every 12, 18 months, and we know and understand what the value of that investment is, mate, if we can punch this out to 3 to 4 years, mate, this is a very, very significant improvement, cost saving, reducing in grinding, setup of machines, uptime on the finger joiner itself. Like, this is a transformation change in this, and we're now in a comfortable position in 26 after the development of 25 to now start to launch this out to a greater audience. Look, we are really excited. This is not a gimmick, this is not a marketing ploy. We're just letting you know about what the developments we've done over a 25, 30 year period and what we've done. What's served us and done in the past has got us to where we are here. The accuracy and the quality of the joint is paramount. That must be on the finished product. But the way we do this and moving into carbide technology for here in the replaceable knife, mate, this is a game changer for our world. And I know we started on the hardwood side, and that certainly has been an incredible experience. But we see how that could flow into softwood, Western red cedar, even into the thermally modified products coming in the future too. Hey Nathan,
yes.
It's really it's exciting for us. But look, if you are a progressive softwood company and you don't want to replace your finger joint cutters every 12 to 18 months, your full sets, and normally you're running 2-3 sets at a time, so that value is there for you. If you're looking to try to say that, how do I change that? Mate, we would be more than happy to engage in a conversation and bring you in as part of the trial. We certainly don't want 10 companies, but we're looking for 2 to 3 companies who would work with us, work with the system, do it under controlled circumstances. But I'm talking about not controlling the speed of the machine, but really working out what you're getting now, and then working through what the new tooling does perform for you. So if you're in that scope, we would love to hear from you.